10.5 billion. That's how many tons of cargo trucks haul across the United States every year, covering thousands of miles. However, what you may not realize is all of that hard work starts here, with CNC machining. You see, trucks have a lot going on under the hood, but something we know all about is the precision needed for trucks to run efficiently and sustain the wear and tear of the road for years. And one of the key components to that process is the truck's manifold. You see, our specialty here at Conturo isn't just machining these components, but doing so at the micron level. So let's break this down. A human hair is about 70 microns thick on average, so not a big canvas to work within. However, we machine parts with tolerances that have to be within 5 microns or less. Now, how do we achieve this? This level of precision is a marriage between the greatest 3D software available and the calibration of our machines before the process even starts. So once the software and the hardware are in lockstep, the next part that really matters is the tooling that we use. The tools that we use are the drill bit looking like components that cycle in and out of our machines and allow for precise cuts down to as wide as 2 red blood cells. Now, I don't know about you, but I feel like that is a pretty small margin for error. But why are we being so precise in the first place? Do you remember that 10.5 billion tons of cargo we talked about earlier? Well, these manifolds on the trucks carrying food, water, oil, and materials all around the country have to deal with varying temperatures, the harsh conditions of the road, and of course, use their fuel as efficiently as they can. Precision machining allows trucks to keep going by solving these problems in advance for them. You see, thermal expansion happens when a manifold heats up after hours on the road, and without the manifold being so precisely machined, gaps or misalignments can lead to leaks and inefficiencies that can kill performance and even lead to engine failure if you're not careful. Additionally, machining allows us to manufacture parts that can perfectly fit with other components in the truck. Let's say where the manifold bolts to the engine block, for instance. If not sealed properly, you will have a gasket fail and have to send that truck to the repair shop. Now think about it. If precision down to microns is essential for something as rugged as a truck driving on solid ground, imagine the stakes when you're dealing with the sky, or even the vacuum of space. In the world of aviation, every part must withstand extreme pressure, temperature changes, and the forces of flight. And in space exploration, even the smallest miscalculation could lead to catastrophic failure. So there is literally no room for error. So whether you're a truck hauling freight across the country, a jet streaking across the sky, or a spacecraft venturing into the unknown, one thing remains constant: precision. It's not just about making things fit, it's about ensuring reliability, safety, and performance in the most extreme conditions. And that's why we do what we do here at Conturo. Because in a world where fractions of a millimeter make all the difference, precision is everything. And that's why we love what we do. So if you need help, whether it be on the ground, in the air, or in space and beyond, let us know and we can help make the precision parts you need to get the job done.